So, the first step to conquering your mind is always to expect things to fail, prepare for the good outcome. Expect things to fail, but prepare for the good outcome in case it might happen. That way, even if failure is inevitable, at least you'll fail less miserably. So another thing that I would like you to do from now on is to plan your day ahead so that there's some amount of certainty. You create an amount of certainty when you plan your day. I'm not telling you to be organized. I'm telling you to make the next day less miserable and purposeful. I'm going to wake up, I'm going to do this. If you've already told your brain we're going to do this, it'll not have time to think about things that will worry it. It'll not have time to do that. Make your life more purposeful. The purpose, even if your purpose is to just enjoy a football match, if you've planned for that, enjoy to the full, prepare your brain for it and tell it to shut up. Just tell it to shut up. This is what we'll do. You're not going to make me guilty about enjoying life. Your purpose can also be to enjoy life. But you have to train your brain to absolutely be in the moment and enjoy. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to fully enjoy that moment. Plan your day ahead so you create an amount of certainty. I'm not saying to be organized or you'll be more productive. No, I'm not talking about productivity. I'm talking about certainty. I'm talking about make things certain. And yes, it is true that if you plan your day, let's say, and something wrong can happen during that time, but you have done your job, you will rest satisfied that you did what you could to make the next day more predictable.